How to pay someone on Venmo without creating an account or without an account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can pay someone on Venmo without an account. Now the first question is, can you pay through Venmo without an account? Well, yes, you can pay through Venmo account, but what you have to note is Venmo is a payment app that requires users to have an account in order to send and receive payments. To use Venmo, you need to sign up for an account, link it to a bank account or credit card, and then you can initiate transactions with other Venmo users. However, there is a way to bypass creating an account to send payment on Venmo. Now, how you can do it? First, there are several alternatives to pay someone on Venmo without opening a Venmo account. It's important to note that creating and using your own Venmo account is recommended and preferred method. However, if you do not prefer it, what you can do is ask someone that has Venmo account to help you make the payment. Now you can find a friend who has Venmo, ask them if they will be willing to help you send a payment. Tell them how much money you need to send and who you need to send it to. They'll make the payment for you. You can then pay the amount of which you owe to them in cash. Now it's that easy. Or you can ask the recipient if they accept any other payments. You can ask them if they have any other sorts of payments except the Venmo application. The other way is to only create an account. So this way you can pay someone on Venmo without an account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.